What's good, y'all? I'm about to go pick up some shoes. Here with
Yo, Big Dog, what's good with y'all niggas?
shit. My camera's about to die, but we'll see if we can get the shoes real quick.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying?
1 week later.
I want my brother, man, I'm in the cut with my cutter. My shooter shoot shit like no other. I fuck her once, then I kick that hoe out, cause no, I do not love her. I'm an angel child, sometimes that devil be up on my shoulder, trying to turn me over. Closer and closer, I know my time coming up, this shit getting closer and closer. Yeah.
So man, today man, I got Off-White Dunks, Lot 12, and this is exclusive access on the sneakers app like last week. I'm just finally doing a video right now. I was just lazy. But crazy story, man. I've been taking L's on sneakers app, man. That shit is annoying as shit, but finally took a win. It was so random. I had to take my mans to William Mall. I happened to say yes because I need some clothes, so. And then as soon as we get to the car, I get a notification for sneakers app. It just says Off-White. I just jump in. I got the W real quick. I was like, damn, that's tough. I've been taking L's back to back, but hey, finally got it one. Off-White Dunks. Let's get to the shoe review, man. You know what I'm saying? The box a little different. Got holes and shit. It's like my second Off-Whites. Other one I sold. You know who I sold it to. Paper. It's a little different. It says Off-White. You know what I'm saying? It says right on the side too. These are the shoes. Damn, man. I don't know how I feel about these. Lot 12. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Yeah, these are different, but they feel like, I think they have suede, a little bit of leather, like soft. Like right here, especially right here, it's like soft. It's like, it's good material. Has a little Off-White stamping right there, like where all it's made from and shit. The tongue is different. You can see the hole. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. And then they got this like extra pink laces on them. I don't know. I mean, I don't know if y'all mess with it, but I kind of don't mess with these. I might just sell it for real. So if I sell it, there should be another video, or I might just throw it into this. I might go to like a Steam or like a local shoe store and sell them joints. But other than that, it's a regular white laces. It says Off-White. So there's shoelaces. I think it's like the Off-White Off-White laces and shit. Got the Off-White tag. This is like a plastic material type. It says lot 12 out of 50. And yeah, I think there's like 50 Off-Whites that Virgil made. And he just split it up from 1 to 50. I got lot 12. Yup. So I don't know. This is like different. I don't know how I feel about these. So I'm definitely not keeping these. I'm about to sell these. They go for around like 400. But so yeah, I'm definitely about to sell these. I'm gonna try to get either. I don't know if I should sell it for cash or if I just get 2 pairs of shoes that I actually mess with and wear them. But I don't know. We'll see. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe right now.